Oh my, this Doc Robs is such a blessing sa akin every time. Wow! Wow.
Wow.
Thank you.
That's good.
Wow!
Better?
Yeah! I mean, something
Dati.
went away.
Sakit.
It was so bad. Like, oh.
Much
Yeah,
taas.
yeah.
Kamusta ang pakiramdam mo?
I have this in my left arm.
Balikat?
Yeah.
Sakit dito?
Sakit.
Bakit? Anong nangyari? Mahulog?
No, I carry all the...
Mabigat?
I have 3 suitcases, 25 kilos each.
Hingang malalim labas. Here, there... Tagilid, harap sa akin this way. Yes po.
Yun talagang, parang minsan kasi, parang kailangan mo ng kung ano muna nasasakit bago ako nakakabalik. Each time na merong inaayos si Doc, nakakahinga ako ng masarap, nakakalakad ako ng maayos. According to my daughter, na minsan sabi niya, Mama, matuwid na yung lakad mo kasi minsan parang gumaganong-ganong ka na.
Like that. Okay. Good.
Oh.
Okay. Kaya po.
Kaya po.
Yes, very nice.
Oh, that was a lot.
Dami.
Dami.
Little bit.
Wow.
Ay, haha.
Okay. There.
Ooh.
Got it.
But really, like now, it's just wonderful.
Wow. Yeah.
Thank you, Lord.
Super stiff.
Thank you, Doc. I do recommend this chiropractic clinic, wellness clinic of Doc Robs. I do recommend it. And si Doc Rob, siya yung Superman di ba? Siya yung tunay na Superman. So bait, ang bait ng pamilya, si Sis Patricia, and very accommodating staff here. And I just love Doc Robs. And thank you so much to them.